Hello, friends. Look at this wonderful business website. This is a website for IT solutions, IT services. We created this website during the overview of a very wonderful WordPress theme, EITS. So you can watch this specific video. Like other WordPress website, many of WordPress website, this website also uses a form. Of course, there is a form on the website, the contact form, or there might be different types of form on our website, and the form is being made has been made using the contact form 7. Most commonly used contact forms form builders is the contact form 7 for WordPress website, and this is here the contact form 7. And what is the biggest downside of using contact form 7? The contact form 7 does not stores data in the database. I mean, all the collections what has been filled in form of data or inquiries or leads, you can say, is not being saved anywhere in the database of WordPress, and all the information is being sent to a particular email ID or multiple email ID through the contact form 7. So data is not being stored. So it is a very big fallback when you are searching for data, you are looking for collective data to go for marketing plans, and if you want to use the collected data for different purposes, right, in form of lead, if you are adding a CRM to your website, or you are willing to run a bulk email campaign, there might be different uses of data that can be collected on a form of a WordPress website or any other website, in fact, right? So the problem is it is not collecting the data. The uh, after submission impact is not here. Like if a visitor visits your website, fills this form, what happens after the visitor submits the form? So this is something which is really necessary for any website, the action after filling the form, the storing the data and all. So what can be the best solution in form of add-on? Because your website is already using contact form 7 and you want to store the data, you want to handle the form after saving and all. So here is the solution that we are going to discuss. It is a plugin that is available at WordPress repository for free, redirection for contact form 7. So what I feel, this is the best plugin that you can use with contact form 7 for serving the purpose that we are discussing in this video, and all the purpose, in fact. So transform basic contact form 7 into powerful conversion tools by automating what happens after form submission. So this is the main thing. Add page URL for redirects. You can save the form entries. You can add honeypot, anti-spam, or you can send the mail. So you can read all the details. I'm going to add this link where you can download the uh, plugin. Of course, it is available on the direct search. So let us install this plugin very quickly so that we may understand well how we can go for this. So as I used to say, don't install any plugin just for testing purpose on your live website. So this is a very common mistake being done by the WordPress developers and the users or the website owners. So the plugins may left a sign or the database tables. Even you are removing the plugin, that is not a good thing for your database. So until you finally decide any plugin, don't install any plugin just for testing. So this is my purpose, what I am saying. So we are discussing the redirection for contact form 7, and let us install this. It can be done from this interface, add plugin, and it gets installed within seconds. And we have next thing that we can do, like uh, choose form, like when you are using a form like contact form 7, like I'm choosing the contact form 1. Add actions is the next thing that can be done. So you can go for resources like the documentation, tutorial support, and premium features if you want, and you can enable the debug mode if you want to do so. There are some premium features as well. So if you are happy with the plugin, you can go for premium features that can give you more things. Let us go for free one first. So we are going to add the action on a selected form. What can be action? So it can be very simple, like you can use the redirect after submission the form. Like if you are choosing to redirect, so the new action can be renamed and you can select a page where you want to redirect after submission the form. You can redirect to the X uh, under so form post like thing and open page in the new tab. There might be certain settings like if you are choosing a page where it has to be redirected after submission. So you can redirect at X www form underscore or the form post. Open in the new tab, sorry, and press pass all the fields from the URL to query parameters. So this is a very technical thing. It is a technical thing. So you can use this all collected information in a parameter and you can pass to next for next action like preserving the data or using in CRM and all. Pass a specific field from the uh, URL query parameters. So you can enable the things and you can choose what fields and how many seconds you want to wait, or the get parameters are here. So if you are enabling all these things, so you'll get the next steps how it is going to work. So like mail tags are here and all. So you can check all these things when you are configuring for a specific purpose. So the main thing from this setting, you can go for redirect. So the first action that you can choose is to redirect the form, and there might be several other features when you are redirecting the form. Next action can be the sent email, which is a very common. So you can decide where the mail goes, and once the form is submitted, it sends an email. You can decide the fields and you can configure the layouts, the data to be sent on the email. So it is very common. So by default, contact form 7 does these things. Next action is honeypot. It is a security thing and that you can add to your contact form 7. It is also very useful. So it is very good. So it can be redirected or used as security pot. Honeypot, we can say. Data management. So the main thing that we wanted to use with this plugin is the save entry. You are going to store the data when you are enabling this feature. Like you can edit the things. So enable the conditional logic or the tags mapping. You can map the tags like field label. You can decide the field label and displays it in the entry list and all. So you can rename it. Next action that you can choose is erase export data request or webhook. So there are some premium features like webhook or the Fire JavaScript, pop-up or the MailChimp, create post, create PDF, collect payments with the Stripe and redirect to. These are all premium features which is logged for free one, of course. So our main purpose is getting solved using the free function like basic action, redirect, send email, honeypot, save entry, or even erase or export data. So I feel if you are using Contact Form 7 at your WordPress website, this is a necessary plugin that you should use, and it is available for free up to the uses that we actually wish to have. And of course, you can go for premium features. So the plugin we discussed is Redirection for Contact Form 7. You might be knowing this plugin or any similar plugin, but we are using this plugin at our projects and it works very well. So it is well tested and it has got a very good number of installs for other WordPress websites. So it is very clear it is widely being used. So you can go for this. In the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your wonderful WordPress website, successful WordPress website. And if you have any question, just go to the WP Themes website, get in touch with a mentor at iCreate program, and you'll get your answers your desired solution that you actually want. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.